Right, this is 10th time I've done this. I've got a bird in the garage. I've got somebody banging away at the fence. I've got somebody taking the bins in. All I want to do is do my intro. So here goes. Right, welcome back people. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing alright. There's the bird. Right, today we'll be going out on the bikes in a bit. I keep looking over there. The camera's there. Urgh. Yeah, so welcome back. So we're going to be going out on the bikes in a bit, but not until we've fitted this bad boy, I don't know if you can see that, to Donna's bike. So we went away for the weekend, as you know. We did Mum's ride, all these bikes passing us, vroom, 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 giving it all this with the exhaust. And Donna's like, oh, what a new exhaust, what a new exhaust. So what have I done? I've been out, put my hand in my pocket and bought her a brand new exhaust. So if you're into Kawasaki Vulcans and you're into installations and whatnot, and you want to hear what the sound's like, so stick around, stay tuned, we'll catch you in a bit. Right, so let's get this show on the road show. Right, so as far as I can see, tools that you're going to need, I'll put a picture up now. Just a socket set, a 14mm socket bit and a 12mm. So the 14mm is for the nut which is located just inside here. When I take this cover off, it's the retaining bolt that bolts the exhaust to the bike, and a 12mm socket just for the downpipes. Right, so we're just going to take the cover off. If we do need any more bits and bobs as we go along, I'll let you know which ones I'm using them for. Right, so you've got two bolts just under this cover here. So the sizes that you will need for these two bolts are 10mm. And all these bolts are doing is just keeping this plastic cover on. That just pops straight off, as you can see there. Right, so under this cover, what you'll find is that you've got the O2 sensor which runs to the exhaust. It's just here. So what I want to do, rather than try and unscrew the O2 sensor from the exhaust and risk twisting the wire, is you just want to unclip it from here. What you will note as well is when you unclip the O2 sensor, is that you've got a little retaining bracket there what just holds the wire in place with another 10mm nut, so you want to unscrew that. So that's the O2 sensor free. Be very careful not to damage these because these are quite expensive. So that's loose. What I'm not going to do, I'm not going to take it out just yet because I want it to support the pipes. Here comes the fiddly bit. Funny is these aren't as tight as what I thought they'd be. Quite loose, to be honest. Oh, that is one heavy exhaust. Come off easier than what I thought it would, that. No, I don't know. As you can see folks, Donna's turned up just in the nick of time to fit a new exhaust. Isn't that right?
Yeah, but It's that bird, isn't it?
Oh, she's more bothered about the bird in the garage.
It's everywhere.
Well, Donna's still trying to get the bird out of the garage. Baby blackbird, mum keeps coming in to trying to feed it. So I've just taken O2 sensor out of the original. Like I said before, I'll be very careful not to damage these. And all I'm going to do is put it in the new exhaust. Right, so I finally got Donna back. Say hello.
Hi.
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 So I'm just going to line it up. Bit fiddly this bit, so it's always helpful if you've got somebody to help you. So if you just want to grab that, try not to scratch it or anything.
You done something wrong?
No, I think I put pipes up my way around. Just come out that way a minute. I had it on, but I couldn't get the pipes on, so I couldn't do it one-handed. Right, so we've got the exhaust on now. Donna's just tightening the bolts apart, Donna. Yeah.
Well, no, why don't you just tell them all the truth?
What's that?
What you've been like.
What have I been like?
Horrible. And that's a polite way of putting it. Come on. Well, it'd help. I was doing it wrong way round.
You were using that end?
Yeah. Oh.
Come on, Coco Colours. Come on.
I don't want people seeing me go, again! Because that's what some people do on the videos, they just edit it out. When it won't go their way and they start going, ah! It's good to have a clean bike, isn't it? You know, when it's not going their way, they don't put that in the video, do they?
Well, I would, because I don't create like you do.
Look, pal, I don't create. You know, we're happy and, you know, doing my video, and she comes out. Do you want to do what you said? I'm going to take this exhaust off and send it back.
Don't matter, just walk ride it.
So is your Jane and Paul coming to pick you up?
No, I'm going. I said I'd be going after exhaust.
Oh, because you want to see what it sounds like.
Yeah.
Oh, so you'll sit there and abuse.
Yeah, and I didn't know whether you wanted to ride with me.
Yeah, of course I do.
God.
Look, pal. Listen here, pal. Look, get out of my face. I'm trying to do this.
Start it up now.
No,
Why?
I haven't pieced it back together.
What do you mean? Why aren't you pleased? No, that don't matter.
It does.
Now everybody is going to Paddy putting this on.
Look, pal, I've paused it. I'm just awesome at what I do. Does that go on like that? I think. They're a right nuisance. Everything's a bloody clip, man. That one's in. Where's that one? That can't. Can anybody clip? What is that?
Well, if it has, that one has as well.
No, that's first. Oh no, that's flat screw. Oh, it's there. Right, so this is just as bad as... Oh, look at that one. You line the bottom two up, but it goes in perfect. Do you want to put that together for camera? Pretend that you're doing it.
No! Oh, sorry.
Sound like a friggin' horse. So,
Oh, I thought you'd lost your screw.
sure, screw. Don't mind. I have to fucking screw tighten the exhaust up, yeah. Right, so it's just a case of just piecing this back together now. If you're wanting to know all torque settings, just go into manual, they'll tell you in there. I'm not going to bore you with that stuff. Right, all back together. The original exhaust. This exhaust has been on for 2,000 miles. And all you can see, already see it's starting to wear, so God knows how long these things would last if you kept them on your bike. So it's in a pretty for 2,000 miles it's pretty crap, to be honest. Right, so there's the new exhaust on there.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Right, so I give it a whirl. Is it in gear?
No, it's neutral. Are you sure?
Yep. I wish you were.
That is awesome!
See the smile on that face. Right, people. Not right. I think I made hard work of that, to be honest with you. Definitely need two people to hold it and get it in position. But it's on now. Donna's happy. Are you happy, Donna?
I am, yeah.
She's walking away. See that smile, everybody.
Oh, don't go too close.
Why?
I might have a bit in my tooth or something.
Oh, for God's sake. Right, so if you enjoyed the vid, please like and subscribe. Right, till next episode. Catch you in a bit. Right, so good morning. Stolen the wife's bike. Just on my way to work, I thought I'd make a short video. The air end can is now fitted. Sounds absolutely amazing. Not too loud. There's no droning, resonating in my helmet, which I thought there would be, to be honest with you. With it being low down, I thought you might have heard it a little bit more, but it's not too bad really. Selby Abbey. Right, so I've just got back from work. Took Donna's bike to work this morning just to test the exhaust, see if everything were doing alright. Everything's fine, looks nice, sounds great. On the way back, forgot to press record. So you've got me going to work, so but yeah, everything's alright. Everything sounds with it, looks great, sounds great. I'm not going to start it up and bore you with what it sounds like because there's 1,000,001 of them videos. So exhaust installation, just how it should be. If you like it, hit the like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next vid. Stay safe, thank you.